What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. In my last episode, I did an in-depth video on the Kohler KT17 Series 2. In today's video, I'll be working around that since I already placed it down in the John Deere 317. So let's get to work. I just installed the engine into the frame. It was quite the struggle, so I did it off camera. Everything is in place now. I can add all 4 bolts which hold down the engine to the frame, and then I can also look at the drive shaft connection to the flywheel, that's mounted properly, and there's a little screen right there which I'll have to mount to the flywheel as well. I do think I have to take the battery tray out to get to those bolts, so I'll be taking the battery tray out again. And then I'll be looking at my levers, which is the choke and the gas. So I'll be looking at that, adding the air filter, and then I can work on all the panels around that. So let's get to it. To get the drive shaft bolts tightened down as well as the engine bolts, and now I can move on to the wiring, the throttle and the choke wire, and then I can move on to the front and some of the panels. So let's get to it. I finished mounting some of the panels around the engine. Everything is tight, and then I moved on to the hood support, which is the green bracket around the Kohler engine. I'm going to leave the grill away because I'm still going to have to mount the PTO clutch belt to the mower deck after everything is assembled. So I'll move on to the back end and I'll get the new seat mounted to the rear fender. So let's get to it.
Work it.
I will wrap up this video right here. I did get the engine mounted today, which was very good. I got all the linkages hooked up and all that, but I still will do some fine tuning there before the first startup. I got the panels up front mounted as well, and the rear seat. So I'm still going to have to order some things like the grip tape that goes right here where my feet will go, and decals for the whole machine. Other than that, I'm looking forward to push this machine up very soon and starting up for the first time. So as always, stay tuned.